What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Solana from Binance to Coinbase. Now for those people who do not know Solana, Solana is also known as Sol and is basically the world's 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. And basically if you want to send it from Binance to Coinbase, follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And yeah, Binance and Coinbase is the world's, top largest crypto exchange. Binance is the first and, Coinbase is the second. By crypto exchange, I mean it's the place where you guys can buy and sell crypto. So if you guys want to sign up into these both, I will leave a referral link in the description, which you guys can use to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance and Coinbase. Now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And with that said, let's jump into the video. First step, you want to go to coinbase.com and log in into your account and go on send and receive. Once you go on over here, go on the receive section. Now once you're in the receive section where it says assets, click on it and you want to search for Solana over here. So Solana is also known as Sol. Click on it. Once you do that, Solana's wallet address over here, copy it. Once you copy it, go back to binance.com and log in into your account. And then go on wallet and then go on overview. Now once you go on overview, what you want to do is you want to go on versus withdraw over here. Once you're over here, click on it and search for Solana because you want to transfer Solana. Once you search for Solana, enter the address which you copied from Coinbase over here. And after you do that, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer and click on withdraw. Once you do that, your Solana will be transferred from Binance to Coinbase. It's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand how you guys can transfer Solana from Binance to Coinbase. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then everybody.